NeoRuler is a digital scale rule and caliper set. The guys at Hozo Designs very kindly sent me one over to take a look. Let's get it unboxed.
I was sent the combo set, which comes in this really sturdy box, has the ruler in there, a caliper conversion and a number of other accessories, so let's get into it. The product is really well packaged, and inside it's got this really smart carry case, and then you're onto the ruler itself. The main operations are all done by these three buttons. Triangle is the on off and back button, the circle button is to enter, and the square button is to select between different functions. Once you turn the ruler on, you get these super smart LED blue lights, and then the main display comes into play. The digital readout is super clear and will show you what unit you're measuring in at the moment, for example millimeters, and what scale it's currently in, i.e. 1:1. One of the best features of the NeoRuler is you can cycle between the different units of measurement, like metric and imperial. It even measures the inches as a fraction as well as decimal, which is superb for the US market and anyone else using imperial. Caliper operations are very straightforward with NeoRuler. The ergonomics are sound, the ruler fits nicely in the hand, and the slide is very smooth and precise. Simply take your measurement. If you need to, lock off with the knurled nut at the back, adjust to the different units of measurements as before, and like with most calipers, you can do external measurements and of course take internal bore diameters as well. The changeover to ruler is quite simple. Just unclip the caliper accessories and then drop on your pointer. However, don't forget to flip the display over like I did, otherwise you'll be trying to read things upside down. You can then use your ruler in the conventional way. However, one thing to note, and a little frustration, is the ruler doesn't measure right from the end. So your measurement is always from the pointer. However, once you get used to this, it's no problem. Simply set your marker where you want to start measuring, hit 0, and then measure away. You'll see the LED blue lights light up as it goes across and takes a measurement, and obviously the display records it accordingly. Another nice thing about NeoRuler is the spacing feature. This allows you to show marks at even spaces such as 5cm intervals. Perfect for things like setting your screws at an equal distance. If you're working with construction drawings, just change the settings to match the scale that you're working with. If you don't know the scale, you can work that out as long as you know at least one of the measurements from the drawing. I know I've only scratched the surface of what the ruler is capable of, but I do believe that NeoRuler is going to be a really great addition to the shop. Thank you very much to Hozo Designs.